Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin AMIRUDDIN, and today I'm going to explain about my alternative assessment for ETL process and data visualization. So here we go. So first thing first, we start with the ETL process. So I did my ETL process on Talent. So first thing, we create the job. So I name my job is join. So here so my job consists of three T file input delimited, one T map, one T log row, and one T file output delimited. So after we load first thing we load our CSV into metadata. So here I just dragging out my metadata into each of T file input delimited. So the first one I name it as a COVID, and the second demographic and third is population. So that we create a link to Tmap for the three of the T file input delimited, and make the COVID one as a main. That double click on Tmap. So here it comes out with the tree. On the left side it comes with the tree table, which is from the T file input delimited that has been linked. So the first one, okay. Now here we create a join. So I say I decided to make the state fibs and county fibs as a composite key. So here I just drag it the state fibs from row 1 to state fibs row 2, county fibs from row 1 to county fibs row 2, and fibs from row 1 to fibs row 3. So here I'm just drag it out and it create a join. And after that we can decide on our model join, whether we want to left outer join or in join. So here I'm just using a left outer join for both of the row 2 and row 3. Moving on to the right side here, we just create a new table. So I name the new table output. So here we're just dragging out what the column that we want to use. So I just drag it out on the right, and then we check the date pattern, length, position, and then we click apply and OK. So after that, we move on to the T-log row. T-log row function is on checking or monitoring whether the output that has going to come. So here, before we create the file or the output file, so here we can monitor our output before it has been created a file output. So here we can see that the date, county, a state, and also cases and all the information that has been here. So it's okay. It's okay. The data is okay from the T-log row view. So and then T file output delimited, we create our new output file, which is I name it as a data COVID US CSV. So after we run, and then we get our new output data. So next we moving on to Power BI. So Power BI, I come up with two reports. So here the first report is about US COVID-19 cases. So and the second one is about COVID-19 statistic by state. Okay, the first report is about I'm going to about overview of the cases of the US. So there will new day cases we show new day cases by month, cases and death by month, and also the overall cases, which is 91 million, and that's 5 million. And then I also put a shape map, which is saturate from the blue, green to red, which is from the lowest to the highest cases. So which means the red is the most highest cases in the US. So here I put the filter, so we can filter out whether we want to see what happened in January. So we can see on January there are 41 cases, and also the new cases is 1 only. And also filtered state. So here I choose the state of Arizona, which is in Arizona there's 6 cases. Okay. So moving on to the second report, which is population by state, COVID-19 statistic by state. So the first one, I created a donut chart for population by states, and also 100% stacked bar chart for new day death and new day cases per capita, 100k by state, and also and the last one is clustered bar chart for new day deaths by state. So I also put the slicer here, so filter out. So you can see the Alabama, the population state, the per capita by state of Alabama, and also the new there is death by state. Moving on to our dashboard. So here's our dashboard. So from the dashboard, just after we publish our reports to the Power BI services, then we can pin what charts that we want to use for our dashboard. So here I name my dashboard as called US COVID-19 trend. So here we can see I pin the cases deaths by months, cases by state, new day cases by month, and new day death and new day cases per capita 100k by states, and also the last one is new day death. So this we can see that on the general overview about the trend on US COVID-19 cases. So that's all from me. Have a good day. Thank you.